teachers, sisters, the parents, those who are gathered here, and all my loving children. Once again, very good evening to you all. And today is a very special day. We are all filled with mixed emotions. And the day, as you expected to have it, and right now you are experiencing. And we all are gathered here to give a bit of farewell to all our beloved children of class 10 who has been the integral part of our school family for the past 10, 11 and 12 years. Do you believe in that? Are you all integral part of our school family? Do you believe in that? Yes, I do so. As we are here and we are having the sense of sadness, we all feel with sense of sadness and giving you farewell, and you are ready to move forward, but at the same time we, the family of Sri Selamada English Medium High School, feel happy and have a joyful moments, and we feel proud to see that you are going to enter into your new part of your journey. As you have completed your one course and that you are going to enter into your new journey. Yes, my dear loving children, class 10 is an important milestone of you all. As you have completed this class 10, that you are going to enter into your new phase of journey in your life. And this, over this year, you have learned not only the lessons. You have learned not only the lessons, along with the lessons, you are respectful, confident, and good, understanding individual now. And you are able to live your life in a more meaningful way. I do believe in that. You yourself cultivated by the assistance of all the teachers here. All throughout these 10 years, lot of experiences that you have learned. I believe that experiences and all the good values that you have learned will keep you go ahead, and it will guide you for the good experiences for the better future. I wish and I believe you too. Along with the lessons, you have learned very many things. Friendship, determination, discipline, and the perseverance. All these values set you and guide you the life which is set before you. As you are here to complete the schooling, don't forget, my dear children, you are going to enter into the new world. As you are living the comfort of school life, or always your parents are behind you, your teachers are behind you, they have comforted you. Then now you are going to put into the new world. It may be very competitive, and you have to face all the challenges. In this moment, the success is not only grading, rank, getting marks. The true success lies behind your honest, hard work, kindness, and the confidence that you are going to have, that you are going to face the lot of struggles on your face, on your life challenges. Life may test you, your patience and your determinations with a lot of difficulties and distractions. So don't kept aside or don't feel bad to come back from all your assignments and duties. Go ahead with full confidence. Those who are having with full courage and confidence and keep on learning continuously will receive or will reach the destination which you are really which you are really set it for you. That is the main goal, and it will keep you go on pushing forward. So at this moment, I would like to give you a small incident. Dear students, as you are completing the class 10th, so far you have under the shade of your parents, under the wings of your parents. After completing class 10, you may be sent for inter and degree or outside of your house or somewhere in the hostels. It means you are just little away from your parents, under the guidance, little away from the guidance of your parents. I remember one small incident, a boy, one who is flying kites. What is the significance of flying kites? Can anybody knows? Everybody knows. Kite and the thread. Kite and the thread. As long as the thread is tied with the kite, so it moves joyfully. It flies very highly. It goes according to the direction of the wind. Joyfully it flies. The same way a boy, one who is flying kite, the kite was flying very high and high. When the air blows, it was flying very high. The kite thought that the boy, one who is lifting or flying kites, is controlling him. Better let me go away from his type so I may fly very high. Immediately, unfortunately, that thread was broken. Thread was cut. Kite thought very joyfully and happily it moves around. After some time, there is no control. There is no guidance, and at last the kite fell down with a great loss. The boy reached the kite and lifted the kite and said towards it, "My dear kite, I am your guide. So far I am guiding you. I was regulating you to fly high and high. You did not want that the guidance of myself. Immediately you were distracted from me. Now you see the great fall on you and great destruction on you." The kite reflected and felt sorry for his behavior. So the kites are you, my dear loving children. The thread are your teachers and your parents. And they are all always behind you to regulate you and to guide you and to assist you where you're supposed to go and where you're supposed to reach. And then how you approach the situation which come on your way. So as you are leaving the school life, don't forget your parents and your teachers. Always have tie with them. Always have a tie-up with them, until if there is no guidance of your elders, you are nothing here in this world. And this day of your farewell day, I wish and I would like to give you, my dear children, the small request and the advice to As long as you are the children of your parents, believe that you should obey your parents and respect your elders. Unless until if you respect them, and it will not give a good success for your life. So we do all expecting you to have a great achievement of the years to come. As you go away from this school also, we are expecting you that you should go in the to reach the greater heights. My dear children, so in our lifetime, the setbacks and failures are not the complete closure of our achievements. So it is a small stepping stones. It will give you guidance and motivations to go one step forward in your life. I believe in your great potentiality and the strength. You may go in a greater heights by assisting or respecting your elders along with their guidance. As you are preparing for the board examination, a little bit of advice for you, my dear children. Use your time wisely and don't waste your time. And very less time is there in your hand. Always calculate your time wisely and get ready to prepare for your board examination, and always have a happy journey and have a good health to appear for your examination. Don't be hurry and don't be in tense of all the critical situations. Life is there, but you have to face it with full courage and challenges. As you leave this school, but don't forget the values that you have learned here in the school. Take all the values along with you, and it will guide you and it will set you in a right place. Last, I thank you for all your memories that you have left in this school campus. Maybe some are 10, some are 11 and some are 12 years. From the beginning till now, you have experienced so many lovable memories. All those will shape you and guide you in a future days. I don't want to take you much of your time as you are so tired. So shall I complete it or shall I prolong it to more?